Hello again, only a very short one this week. I've been buying loads of stuff over the last couple of weeks. We'll get to that in a minute. So we've got some paint. I'm going to paint the engine. So we've got some engine enamel primer. And we've got, that is black, satin black. I'm going to do it satin black. Engine enamel, there we go. So that is the colour that it's going to be, black. I've also got some brushes from a Dremel. There we go, see those. So I shall be doing some cleaning, trying to get all the paint and crap off the engine bits. The cases aren't too bad, but the barrels are awful and the head's awful. I have got in here, let's put this down here. Oops, open it up. There is a piece of aluminium because I'm going to make the drain that fits just here. The original was plastic and it's absolutely mangled, so I've got the original and I shall file that and make that for there. I'll do that next week. Right, what else have I got in here? I have got a stud remover kit. If I can open it. There we go, stud remover kit. Put one of these little bad boys on, give it a twist, hopefully it will pull the stud out. The one stud that has got enough body left on it to pull out anyway. And then in this little box here, I have got, oh, it's going to tip off. Let's move it over here. I have got, whoop, dowels, lots of dowels, so they fit in holes like that. There's some more, there's another one on here somewhere, one on the other side. Anyway, I've got a load of dowels. That is for where are we? Oh, it's on the other case, but it'll be in there holding the bearings with the grooves in. Got a couple of little dowels in there as well. These are what I've been buying over the last couple of weeks. Bits of gearbox that are missing. I think that is all of the bits of gearbox that are missing now. And oh, that's it. There's another couple of dowels in there. So I've got most of the bits now for the engine. Yeah, I'll see if I can get that stud out anyway. As I was saying, this little doodah sits in there, like that. But it's mangled beyond use. It's absolutely hopeless, so I shall make that. I shall cut that. That will fit, and then it'll go on there. So that's next week's little job. Right, this just here is the stud that I need to get rid of, and this is a 6mm stud puller. I'm not sure whether it's going to work or not. Let's try this for a start. Let's just try it without that for a start. Is it going to grip it? It's not quite got enough of a grip. Oh, nearly. What could I use? Maybe roughing up the surface of it. It's kind of trying to grip, but it's not got enough oomph on it. All the wheels are touching the surface, so maybe I'll have to just rough up these edges a little bit so that it will grip. Right, you probably won't be able to see that from there, but what I've done is just flattened 3 sides on there a little bit, and hopefully that will allow this to grip it. Ooh. Oh, it definitely feels a bit more positive, so let's give that a go. Right, let's try it on its on the flat, see if that is any different. No, it's not. No different at all. No different at all. So I'm still at a complete loss with this stud. I shall keep trying. Well, I've been trying this for ages and it still does not want to move. Still it defeats me. Still another week goes by and I still haven't got rid of that stud. And I still haven't got rid of this stud here. That one I have kind of decided it's got to be drilled out. I've tried welding onto it. There's now not enough left to weld onto it. I don't want to damage the face any more than I've already damaged it, because I'm going to have to flatten this face off again. This is defeating me because that and that are the only things wrong with this head. Valve guides are good. The seats need running in a little bit, need lapping, but actually the valve seats are really good. They all look really smooth. So the only thing that is defeating me is these 2 studs. The inlet studs I shall leave as they are. They're all in, they're all good. The threads are reasonably good on all of them, so I'm going to leave all those. But if I can't get these out, I might end up having to get a new head, which would be disappointing, to say the least. So before I get round to actually ripping that one out physically, which I've tried and tried and tried, but I don't want to shear it off anymore, I shall have another go with my 6mm puller, but I don't think it's going to come out. Yeah, so anyway, that's that. Right, swift update on these 3 bearings here. This is proving impossible to find. It is a Nashi 250, well, whatever it says on there, I don't know. 2586. So anyway, that I've got a bearing manufacturers trying to source the base bearing, and then they can cut a groove into it, but they haven't found the base bearing yet. That one, no one seems to know what it is, but it's got all the rollers there. And that one, once again, no one seems to know. Anyway, someone will be able to find those 2 roller bearings. I'm pretty certain that someone's going to be able to find. This old bad boy, I don't know. And I mean, it feels great, but I don't really want to reuse it if I don't have to. I found some clocks for the bike. They said 40-something thousand, 42,000 I think it was. Now, I know the engine is not the original engine, but I don't know what mileage the engine's done. So I really don't want to put an engine that's done 40-odd thousand miles in. It's 50 years old. Even if these are in really good condition, they're likely to have done considerable mileage and they're 50 years old. I don't really want to put them back, but if I have to, I have to. Anyway, this bike is, it's a lot of fun to work on, but damn, it's difficult to get bits. Anyway, I think that's it for this week. Not a very big one, so failed once again to get the studs out. failed once again to get some bearings. I've got some other parts that have arrived. I'm getting there slowly. Bye.